Imagine this. Billionaires like Warren Buffett are sitting on mountains of cash. Record highs. Hundreds of billions. Why? They're not spending it. They're hoarding it. And it's not because they're stingy. It's because they see something coming. Something big. Something that could shake your wallet. What do they know that you don't? Stick around. This could save your money. In the next 15 minutes, we'll break it down like you're 5. Simple stories, fun drawings, and the truth about 2026. Let's start at the beginning. What's hoarding cash mean? It's like saving your allowance instead of buying candy. But for billionaires, it's billions in the bank. Not stocks, not houses, just cash. Why now? In 2026, the rich are ditching stocks, holding historic highs of cash. Surveys say wealthy folks park 20% of their wealth in cash. That's huge. Take Warren Buffett. He's like the wise old owl of money. His company, Berkshire Hathaway, has over $380 billion in cash. That's more than some countries' economies. He built it up in 2025. Sold some stocks. Why? He sees the market like a party that's gone on too long. Everyone's dancing, but the music might stop. Remember the good old days? Back in 1971, money was tied to gold. Like a dog on a leash. Governments couldn't make endless cash. But then, poof, the leash broke. Now they print money like candy from a machine. That led to more debt. The US owes trillions. And in 2026, a big chunk, like $12 trillion, needs refinancing, but at higher interest rates. Ouch. Billionaires know history. In 2008, markets crashed. People lost homes. The rich? They had cash ready to buy cheap stuff. Now they're doing it again. Peter Thiel sold $100 million in Nvidia stock. Worried about an AI bubble. Like tulips in old times. Prices sky high, then crash. Inflation's sneaky too. Prices go up. Your dollar buys less. But billionaires see volatility. Markets swinging wild. Tariffs. Trade wars. Geopolitics like a chess game, gone wrong. Surveys from banks like UBS show billionaires eyeing gold, real estate, emerging markets. But first, cash. It's like ammo in a game. Ready to fire when prices drop. Baby boomers are in on it. They're retiring rich. Holding $85 trillion in wealth. Not spending. Saving. While young folks struggle. It's not greed. It's smart. They read the signs. Like storm clouds before rain. Critics say billionaires hoard power, not just money. They invest in politics. But economically, cash isn't buried. It's waiting. In 2025, market was hot. I surged. But now? Warnings everywhere. Shiller CAPE ratio over 35. That's fancy talk for stocks too pricey. Billionaires whisper about a reset. Fiat system cracking. Crypto like Bitcoin as an exit. But cash first. Now the juicy part. The conflicts. Why the sudden hoarding? First conflict. The debt bomb. U.S. Treasury has trillions maturing in 2026. Refinance at 5% instead of 0%. Interest explodes. Like your credit card bill doubling. Buyers, like China and Japan, stepping back. Fewer friends lending money. Rates go up. Markets shake. Billionaires know this. They're positioning. Cash is king when others panic. Second, market overvaluation. Stocks flew high on AI hype. Nvidia, up 35%. But is it a bubble? Peter Thiel thinks so. Sold big. Volatility's up. Swings like a yo-yo. Inflation fears linger. Prices for food, gas, still high. Third, geopolitical mess. Tariffs, trade tensions, wars. Billionaires see uncertainty. Cash is safe. No risk. Look at X posts and news. Insiders say 2026 collapse coming. Michael Burry warns of double bubble in AI, and gold. Buffett bets on yen against dollar. Hyperinflation possible if printing ramps up. But not all doom. Some see inflation from AI and robots. Things get cheaper. Cash buys more. Conflict for you. Cantillon effect. Rich get new money first. Buy assets. You get it last. After prices rise. Billionaires hoard to buy low later. Real estate, gold, crypto. UBS survey. 42% increasing emerging stocks. 32% gold. They're not scared. They're prepared. Oxfam says billionaires bad for economy. Monopoly power. Inheritance. But in cash hoarding, it's strategy. The main event. Potential crash. Buffett's cash signals overvalue. Like 2001, 2008. Crypto folks say Bitcoin to 400K. Transition from fiat, but billionaires hold cash first. Wait for dip. Kevin O'Leary says holding cash hurts if not used. But for now, it's caution. The conflict boils. Economy might boom or bust. Billionaires bet on bust first. You. Stuck in middle. The turning point. What happens in 2026? If debt bomb explodes, markets crash. Stocks down. Housing slumps. Crypto dips. Billionaires swoop in. Buy cheap. Get richer. Or, if deflation wins, cash kings. Buy more with less. Climax. The reset. Some say hyperinflation. Dollars worthless. Assets soar. Buffett's warning. CAPE high. Crash possible. But turning point for you. Knowledge. They know signs. You can too. Watch debt levels. Volatility. Sell high, hold cash. Geopolitics. China pulls back. Japan sells treasuries. Climax reveal. It's not hoarding. It's waiting for the sale of the century. If AI bubble pops, trillions lost. But cash holders win. The big what if. Trump wants low rates. More printing. Inflation roars. Or, robots make abundance. Prices fall. Billionaires hedge. Cash plus gold. Real estate. Climax. You don't need billions. Start small. Save cash. Learn signs. So, takeaway. Billionaires hoard cash because they see storms ahead. Debt, bubbles, volatility. They know. Markets overpriced. Reset coming. Cash is power. You? Don't panic. Build your own pile. Diversify. Watch news. What they know. Prepare now. CTA. Subscribe for more simple econ stories. Like if this helped. Comment. What's your cash strategy? Share with friends. Stay smart. In 2026, be ready. Like a billionaire.